GAME stock, Gamesquare Holdings Inc. Is currently trading at around $4.16 and down 0.72% in this session of the 26th of April 2023. The market is going to close in a few minutes. The stock is also appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. As of early March, the stock was pretty much quite bullish, and its underlying moving average its underlying trend underpinned by the 200 moving average appeared to be also sloping bullishly upwards. But since that early March, it has continued to deteriorate. At some point it tried to attempt to continue the uptrend, but it fizzled out and got a resistance at $6.99. Currently now it's just getting support right where its 200-day moving average is. And some time ago, not very long ago as well, sometime in the middle of this month, I think it's not long ago, I think yes, early this month, the company disclosed this to the public, and it says that Gamesquare Holdings Inc., formerly known as Engine Gaming and Media, announced that it has completed its previously announced plan of agreement with Gamesquare Exports Inc., resulting in the company acquiring all of the issued and outstanding securities of GSQ. As a result of the completion of the agreement, GSQ common shares have been halted from trading in Canadian Stock Exchange and will be subsequently delisted. The combined entity is now known as Gamesquare Holdings Inc., with shares traded on the New York as a Nasdaq Capital Market and TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol ticker GAME. Okay, that was how that merger came about. So the current Gamesquare Holdings Inc. is a merger between Gamesquare Holdings Inc. and Gamesquare Exports Inc. And they also issued some shares. They also issued let's see, they issued some shares down here. That's what it's saying. They issued they closed a public offering of 7.673 million shares at $1.25. It's actually it's a public offering of subscription receipts. Okay, and then but they also had a reverse split. It says here the company enacted a reverse stock split to consolidate the company's outstanding shares on the basis of one common share for every 4 outstanding common shares. As a result, the company has approximately 12.9 million shares outstanding. So that was what happened. They merged with Gamesquare Export Inc. and consolidated with a reverse stock split of 4 for 1 for every 4 existing shares. That's how some shares, your shares may have reduced. That's how that is how that came about. So the stock is quite a small stock. Sorry, the market cap is very small, very tiny, and it can be vulnerable to manipulation. It can be more vulnerable to manipulation. As things stand right now, if I haven't really done any due diligence on the company, I might trade it. I might just trade it, meaning like if I see an opportunity to invest today and take my money out tomorrow, I might do that, but not in the long term. I wouldn't probably, as things stand right now, invest in it in the long term. But if I see opportunities to trade it in the short term, yes, I might. So right now, this is the 1 minute live chart. The market is going to close in about 4 minutes. So it's just moving. It's been consolidating, moving sideways. It's cooled off. It's been a bearish session for the stock, but for some time now it's been moving sideways. So it has an upper projection of $4.21, $4.22, $4.3, $4.53. This is on the 1 minute live charts, and but then also there's also the downward projection of 3.72. That's the most extreme downward projection. And let's look at the daily chart and see what we have there. On the daily chart, we have also an extreme downward projection of $2.48, upper projections of all the way towards 11.73 and 9.19. Okay, before that you have $8.3 as well. Let's look at the weekly chart and see what we have there on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we have a downward projection of 3.42, pretty much in line with what we have on the daily chart. Upper projection from where it is right now, 9.72, okay, to 25.61. So let's return to the daily chart. So we have projections, downward projection of 2.43, but upper projections all the way towards 11.78. So going by what we are looking at right now on the chart, it appears to be consolidating. If it continues to move sideways, there's a good chance a bottom may have been reached. There's a good chance a temporary bottom may have been reached. So which direction is it going to go? Well, I can't say which direction it may go. All we can rely on is the algo, the projections from the algo. So it might retrace further, and maybe retrace further and fall towards 2.48, or move towards 5.02. Okay, so see what you make of GAME stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.